new Volk Racing. The car's not lowered because it's already low in the front. I haven't put the sticker on. Kind of flushed it. And then we got some advanced wheel, tires with Volks. CEs 28. And then the triple exit exhaust from MagnaFlow. American brand, not JDM, American MagnaFlow. And it has a carbon tip on it. Real carbon tip. Not for looks, but it's real carbon. Sounds really good. Can't say anything bad about it. And it has a stainless steel body, which is really good. It's pretty clean. Alright guys, I guess that's it. Nothing new. Just those new touch-ups for the car. Right now, actually, what I'm gonna do is look at this 2 beauty right here. Damn. Yeah. So I'm going to paint, scratch. Oh, and Nick actually took out a chunk of a paint. I know it's tiny, but goddamn. And then on this one, that's my love right there. It's my NSX. And also there's a chunk over here that came off not too. Shit. Right over there. Boo! Anyway, those are the ballast cars now, the Civic Type R. And I'm gonna have to fix it. See what I can do to restore it the way it is without buying a new one. Anyway. So, I'm gonna do a touch up with my micro pen. My micro brush with the OEM Honda paint. So, there's a paint code for this color. Is that the paint code? Yes, B593M, I guess. So this is the before. See how that actually, it sliced it from a plate that was holding, and boom, nicked it out. So I'm gonna have to paint that. Now it's all repaired. It's kind of dark right now because it's wet. So, and if you guys have a small scratches, use a fine tip to cover that. It looks darker than it is because it's still wet. So I'm gonna wait until it dry. I feel like those little holes in it, so that way, see that scratch? It's kind of long. Yikes! Woo! It looks like a crack of the paint. So, boo! Now I gotta fix that one right there. Heat it up, and then I don't know, maybe take off the chunk. I don't know, but I covered all my carbon fiber parts because it's very sunny in California now. It's summertime. I don't want my carbon fiber parts to get all funky. There you go. And which one would you guys drive? The Type R or the Evo 8 E85? Which one would it be? As always, take care, God bless, and thanks for watching.